Those of you who have me on Snapchat probably have gotten something like this from me. It's not like I'm that messy of a person, but the first thing I think about when I walk into my room after a long day is not the mess in it, but the projects, the deadlines, and that's the mess I have to deal with first. So I can't ever do laundry. I just can't fit it into my schedule, and it starts to pile up into a mountain. By the time I know it, my floor is covered in clothes, and I just feel so bad for people coming in to visit. So I've decided to finally tackle this problem once and for all. I found a kind of working digital bathroom scale in the dumpster and decided to deconstruct it. Since I will be measuring small changes in weight, I decided to get an HX711 amplifier module that's Arduino compatible, since the Arduino does not have an ADC that is high resolution enough to detect small changes from the load sensor. The load cell had 4 colored wires, and unfortunately, load cells do not have standard wire coloring. Since I could not find a part number on it, I had to measure the resistance between all of the pairs of wires and test them out to identify which pair was the excitation and which was the signal on the Wheatstone bridge. Clearly, the colors on the wires did not match the suggested colors on the HX711. Once I was able to get good, very sensitive weight readings, I moved on to programming the laundry basket's reactions. I wanted the laundry basket to be really annoying, so I searched the web for most annoying songs on the internet, and Rebecca Black's Friday and Nyan Cat came up. So there was code for Nyan Cat, and so that's why I decided to go with that, even though I think the former is definitely more annoying. There were some leftover LEDs from my previous video, so I decided to reuse the rainbow pattern just like the Nyan Cat music video. So once my laundry reaches a certain weight, the rainbow LEDs light up and Nyan Cat blares on a never-ending loop. This is obviously a work in progress, so I wanted to get some ideas from you guys. What annoying thing could a laundry basket do that will make you pick it up and do your laundry?